This is a 2021 Dodge Charger Scat Pack with the 6.4. It's all stock right at the moment. We're going to do some factory mid-muffler deletes. Going to leave the factory resonators on there and tips. Going to do a little before and after, see what the decibel levels are. Let's see what it sounds like stock. We'll get back to you here in a bit. Okay, so we have removed the factory mid mufflers, installed a nice 3-inch pipe. Like I said, it's all stock up front. Everything's stock, including the factory resonators and tips. Let's see what a difference that made. All right, looks like it went up to about 122.